Okay, so I have almost done it, but I have a little. Okay, I'm a stubborn. I'm stubborn. I'm. I am a talkative. No, I'm not talkative. My sister is, and I am the one who is stubborn. We're just the same. So wait, I'm gonna done. I am. I am always almost done in here, so I will stop the short film. Okay, I will done it. So I'm back. This is the final. I'm sorry if it's bad, but there.